but there's no problem. Welcome to the naming project where I bring to you Luo names. The name I have right now, which is the starting name, is my own name, that is MAKTUNU. The meaning of the name MAKTUNU, many people always mistake that name a lot. Some of them think, they think in a vulgar part, that is the female private part, and the rest. Some of them think in Lao, Tunu is the sharp breast of young girls. So all those are mistaken. On a very serious note, we have variations like Utunu, like that. So for MAKTUNU, my name means I have a little something is, just take it like that. Just take it easy. Because my parents gave birth to very few boys, only 2 in number. So the name was given just like something to provide comfort to them, that even if you have only 2 boys, take it like that. It doesn't matter. You don't have to worry. So it is a comfort name to them, but it's applicable in other angles, because when I give you an item which is little, then I can tell you MAKTUNU, which means you first keep that little one. Higher number or more may come in the future. I can give you maybe 10,000, and in Acholi grammar, you may be saying, Ginatiri Kuman, meaning the thing is too little. Then I can reply to you that, so first have this one, first have it like this. That is the meaning of my name. Thank you for watching it. There are still a lot of the other meanings of the name on this channel, and there are a lot coming up. Thank you.